Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Amazon Basics digital air compressor. This is an Amazon Basics packaging, so there's barely any information on it. As you can see, I will straight up open this box and show you what's inside. Here we go. A lot of things inside. We have a couple of documents here. Okay, so this is basically some precautionary tips from Amazon Basics. It says risk of bursting, do not adjust regulator to result in output of pressure greater than the marked maximum pressure of attachment. Risk of injury, do not direct airstream at body. Do not expose to rain, store indoors. So some precautionary measures written over here. And this is the user manual for this particular tyre inflator. There you go. It's called digital air compressor. This is what it looks like. There's a diagram over here. Everything that you want to know is given over here as well. This is powered by a 12-volt cigarette lighter, as you can see. So we'll take a look at these components now. This is the carrying case in question. This comes in this pretty neat carrying case. It has Amazon Basics written on top. So portable as well. There you go. There's a strap for carrying it. Now let's take a look at the device in question, the digital air compressor. And there you go. This is what it looks like. This is what the digital air compressor looks like. The model number is 150PSI and Amazon Basics written over here. There's an LCD monitor right over here through which you can set timers. There's the on off for the compression, and there's also a flashlight. So this is a flashlight right over here. So this is the hose for when you want to blow it, when you want to blow air out. So this is the hose. It's coiled inside. It's a pretty thick hose. There you go. I'm going to pull it out. There you go. This is a pretty thick hose. For the air comes out basically through here, and this is the power adapter. This is basically your cigarette lighter. This is a machine that is used inside a car. This is for, when suppose you get your tire gets punctured for whatever reason and you have to put air back in. So this is the device that you use. This is powered by a cigarette lighter. It's a 12-volt cigarette lighter that will fit in almost any automobile, almost any vehicle these days. And there are two more elements here. Let me just take them out. It's really tightly fit here. This is a fuse. You can see this is a fuse. I'm not going to take it out for. These are basically ball and balloon adapters. So when you want to inflate a balloon, this is the attachment that you use basically. So this will be too thick for inflating a balloon. So when you want to inflate a balloon, these are the attachments that you use. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Amazon Basics digital air compressor. Thank you for watching.